In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Instagram messages to your Notion database using Zapier, making your data flow effortlessly from one platform to the other. Imagine not having to switch back and forth between your Instagram account and Notion to keep track of all your communications. This automation will help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. We'll start by heading over to Zapier. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free and quickly get started. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard and click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. A zap is what links two apps together to automate repetitive tasks, and today we're setting up one between Instagram and Notion. Now let's dive into the specifics. First up, we need to set a trigger. This is the event that kicks off the automation. You'll be selecting Instagram as your trigger app, but it's important to first check that you're using an Instagram business account, as this is necessary for connecting with Zapier. Choose new message from the list as your trigger event, which means every time you receive a new direct message on Instagram, this zap will spring into action. The next step is to connect your Instagram account to Zapier. You'll need to authorize access, giving Zapier permission to fetch the data it needs from your account. Don't worry, this process is secure and ensures your messages get properly channeled into your Notion setup. Now it's time to define what happens after the trigger. This is called the action. For this, we're going to choose Notion as the action app. Within the options provided, select Create Database Item to ensure a new entry is made in Notion whenever an Instagram message comes in. Of course, before this can happen, you'll need to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Just as with Instagram, you will need to log in and authorize the access. This will allow Zapier to communicate with your Notion workspace and make the desired changes. One crucial step is to map the fields. This essentially involves linking the data points from Instagram, like sender information, the message content, and the timestamp, to the corresponding fields in your Notion database. Make sure these are correctly aligned so the data gets stored accurately. At this point, it's wise to run a test to check if the automation you've set up is functioning properly. Send a test message to your Instagram and observe if it appears correctly in your Notion database. If everything works as intended, then it's time to turn on your Zap. Once activated, this system will run in the background, syncing your data automatically without needing constant oversight, and there you have it. With just a few strategic steps, you can now effortlessly direct your Instagram messages to your Notion database, saving time and reducing manual entry. Give it a try and enjoy a more organized approach to managing your communications.